Hello, welcome to week 5 of programming with C++. Today I'll be taking you through functions and function declaration. So before we start, we must first know what a function is. A function is simply a block of code that performs one specific task normally usually assigned, and it helps keep the code organized. It allows the person to reuse that block of code and is very easier to read. So before me, I have a test called a prototype code. Now I'm going to help you identify the function, how to declare the function, and how it is used. So before me, you see that I've declared my standard library. Now functions are often declared before the main code is. So you can easily come out to the main block of code and go and call in the function. So this is our function. Our function is simple. And you see the A and B here, they are just placeholders. Or in case we decide to declare different variables. Now let's move on to the function. Now we start our main code over here and we declare some two integers. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. Now remember the a and b are just placeholders or parameters. Now we have declared our two integers. We want to make use of this function instead of going through the whole process of going and pre-coding. We can just call in an already inbuilt pre-user defined build function. So we are going to call in the result and call in a function. So int result equals, as you can see, the x and y here too are just now replaced argument and their values are passed on to the a and b. So they just kind of move their variables, take the value of the variables here. So what really happens when x and y is called? X copies 5 to A, Y copies 10 to B. Then the function adds them and returns the result as 15. Then the real result is returned to the new variable we created here called result. So how the function really works, the function just tells the compiler what the function looks like. Then the function, defining the function is giving the function the logic of how it should operate. The parameters are just the placeholders you see in the function that will be taking data along the way and they keep on being replaced as well. So that's what you need to know about function. Okay.